Lumine Organics mouthwash is marketed as a natural oral care solution that supposedly kills harmful bacteria and supports a cleaner mouth without harsh chemicals. But the real question is, does it actually kill bacteria, or is it another natural product with overblown claims? Now, to be fair, many mouthwashes can help reduce bacteria in the mouth. Even natural formulations may contain ingredients with antibacterial properties that contribute to fresher breath and better oral hygiene. What it does well may help freshen breath. This is one of the most noticeable benefits users often experience after using mouthwash. Could reduce some oral bacteria temporarily. Many mouthwash ingredients, whether natural or conventional, can lower bacterial levels for a period of time. Where the hype falls apart, it does not eliminate all bacteria. This is the biggest issue. Your mouth naturally contains hundreds of bacterial species, and completely killing them is neither realistic nor desirable. Natural ingredients are not automatically more effective. Just because a mouthwash is marketed as organic or natural does not mean it outperforms conventional products. It will not replace brushing and flossing. No mouthwash can compensate for poor oral hygiene habits. So, does Lumine Organics mouthwash actually kill bacteria? Short answer. It likely reduces some bacteria in the mouth temporarily, but is unlikely to deliver the dramatic antibacterial effects sometimes implied in marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.